Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. And in this video I am going to let you know about what are the best freelancing websites to work on and how you can earn money from these websites. So friends, let's jump to our Chrome browser, and now what I'm going to search, I'm going to search for best freelancing websites. So friends, here are the first article, hostinger.com, and we will see, and we will also look for what is the traffic, monthly traffic of these websites, how much visitors are visiting these websites in 30 days. So I'm going to close this one, and number one is fiverr.com. Friends, Fiverr is just amazing website, and I will recommend you to work, you can work on Fiverr as a freelancer to earn a great revenue. So lot of my friends are also working on fiverr.com, and they are earning a great money as well. So friend, here is the Fiverr website, and I will click on this link. I will let you know about its monthly traffic. So friends, to check its monthly traffic, I will copy this link and I will paste to SimilarWeb extension for Chrome. Here is extension, and I think you should also install this extension so that you can check. Okay, 700k users are almost of this extension, and good review as well. So friend, I want to check the traffic of this website, and I will accept its terms and conditions. Yes, okay. It has about 59 million traffic, and it is just amazing. 59 million is a very great figure, big figure. So friend, the second one is upwork.com, and it comes with about, I will also let you know about its pros and cons. What are the pros and cons of Fiverr? Diverse category, free registration, online courses, and high commission charge, and long payment process. These are the cons of this website. High commission charge, because 20% of your commission is cut from Fiverr, and it is just a commission. You will not, let's suppose you are getting an order of $100, you can only earn $80 from it, and 20% is cut from Fiverr. Long payment process, it takes almost, I think, 21 days, and after 21 days you will be 14 days. It can take up to 14 days to withdraw your earning, and it is you can see as very long process. The second one is upwork.com. It comes about let me see, it's about 40 million traffic per month. And let me see what are the pros and cons of Upwork. Payment protection, it is the pros, and credible clients, budget based projects. These are the pros of this website. And what are the cons? Cons are lengthy section process and high service fee. Okay, it is very easy, and I will recommend you to work on these websites. I will always rank Upwork number 1 and Fiverr at number 2. You should work on Upwork, and it is very great website. You can earn a lot of money, because on Fiverr you can earn little commission. Many people are also creating even $1 million of commission, but as a new creator, as a new freelancer, it will be very tough for you to get orders of high, you can say, as budget, because most of the buyers will not trust you. But Upwork, no doubt, Upwork is quite difficult as compared to Fiverr, and getting orders on Upwork is quite tough process. But you can say as Upwork is quite reliable, and it provides a good customer support to seller as well. But Fiverr is only good for buyer, it is not good for seller. Its customer support is also not good for seller, because it only gives protection to buyer, not to seller. So Upwork is quite good for seller as well. I will highly recommend you to work on Upwork, and it is quite amazing. So let's jump to our third website, that is taptal.com. I am not sure I am pronouncing it correctly or not. Taptal.com. Okay, I think this website is of let me see. Okay, it comes up with 3 million traffic, not quite good. I will recommend you first of all Upwork, secondly Fiverr, and thirdly is freelancer.com. In my view, I am not sure about it, but in my view, because freelancer.com is quite good website. Let me see what is the traffic of this website. Yes, it is quite amazing. Traffic is quite much more as compared to taptile.com. It comes with 8.35 million traffic about of June, and Taptile comes up with only 3 million. So it means there are 3 million, very little amount of buyers are here, but on freelancer.com there are about 8 million visitors per month. So I will recommend you to come work on these 3 websites. So this was the part number 1, and in the part number 2 I will give you a review of the remaining websites. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.